Find the equation of the circle passing through 1, 2, 3, minus 4 and 5, minus 6 is. So the equation of the circle. So find the equation of the circle. That is general equation of the circle is general equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the general equation of the circle. Now we substituting the points 1, 2, 3, minus 4 and 5, minus 6 in this given equation. So first point 1, minus 2. So x square is 1 square plus y square minus 2 whole square plus 2z into x value 1 plus 2f into y value minus 2 plus c is equal to 0. That is 1 square 1 minus 2 whole square 4 plus 2z into 1 2z 2f into minus 2, that is minus 4f plus c is equal to 0. Therefore 2z minus 4f plus c plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the first equation. And substituting second point 3, minus 4, that is equal to 3 square plus minus 4 whole square plus 2z into 3 plus 2f into minus 4 plus c is equal to 0. 3 square 9 plus minus 4 whole square 16, 2z into 3, that is 6z minus 2f into minus 4, that is minus 8f plus c is equal to 0. 6z minus 8f plus c, 9 plus 16, that is 25 is equal to 0. This is the second equation. And the third point 5, minus 6. Substituting in the general equation of the circle, that is 5 square plus minus 6 whole square plus 2z into 5 plus 2f into minus 6 plus c is equal to 0. That is 5 square 25 minus 6 square 36 plus 2z into 5, that is 10z, 2f into minus 6, that is minus 12f plus c is equal to 0. Therefore 10z minus 12f plus c plus, here is 25 plus 36, that is 61 is equal to 0. This is the third equation. Now we take third equation minus second equation, that is third equation minus second equation. So third equation is 6z minus 8f plus c plus 25 is equal to 0. And third equation, second equation is 2z plus 4f plus c plus 5 is equal to 0. Subtracting these two, 6z minus minus, here plus c minus c cancel, 6z minus 2z, that is 4z minus 8f minus 4f minus 12f, so 25 minus 5, that is plus 20 is equal to 0. 4 common in this equation, that is z minus 3f plus 5 is equal to 0. This is the fifth equation. And take fourth equation minus third equation, that is fourth equation is 10z minus 12f plus c plus 61 is equal to 0. Fourth equation 6z minus 8f plus c plus 25 is equal to 0. Subtracting these two, this minus plus minus minus, this is plus c minus c cancel, 10z minus 6z, that is 4z minus 12f plus 8f, that is minus 4f, 61 minus 25 plus 36 is equal to 0. 4 common in this equation, g minus f plus 9 is equal to 0. This is the sixth equation. Now we subtract 5, fifth equation. fifth equation minus sixth equation, that is 5g minus 3f plus 5 is equal to 0, and g minus f plus 9 is equal to 0. Subtract, that is minus plus minus, g cancelled, minus 3f plus f minus 2f, 5 minus 9 minus 4 is equal to 0. 2f is equal to minus 4, f is equal to minus 2. Substituting f value in this sixth equation, that is g minus f plus 9 is equal to 0. G minus f value is 2, that is g plus 2 plus 9 is equal to 0. So g is equal to minus 11. Now we find the value of c. Substituting gf values in the second equation, that is second equation is 2g plus 4f plus c plus 5 is equal to 0. So 2 into minus 11 plus 4 into minus 2 plus c plus 5 is equal to 0. Minus 22 minus 8 plus c plus 5 is equal to 0. That is c minus 25 is equal to 0. C is equal to 25. So now we find these three values g of c. Therefore, general equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. That is x square plus y square, 2 into g value minus 11 into x plus 2 into f value minus 2 into y plus c value plus 25 is equal to 0. So that is x square plus y square minus 22x minus 4y plus 25 is equal to 0. This is the general equation of the circle passing through three given points. Find the equation of the circle passing through the points 4, 1, 6, 5 and having center on the line 4x plus y minus 16 is equal to 0. This is general equation of the circle is, that is x square plus y square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. This is the first equation. So center of the circle, center is equal to minus g comma minus f. This center lies on this line. Center lies on 4x plus y minus 16 is equal to 0. That is 4 into minus g plus y value minus f minus 16 is equal to 0. That is minus 4g minus f minus 16 is equal to 0. Take minus common, 4g plus f plus 16 is equal to 0. This is the second equation. And the points passing through the point is 4, 1. Substituting 4, 1 in the general equation, 4 square plus 1 square plus 2g into 4 plus 2f into 1 plus c is equal to 0. This is 4 square plus 1 square, 16 plus 1 is 17, 2z into 4, that is 8g plus 2f into 1, 2f plus c plus 17 is equal to 0. This is the third equation. And the second point is 6, 5. So that is equal to, substituting 6, 5 in 1, that is 6 square plus 5 square plus 2z into 6 plus 2f into 5 plus c is equal to 0. 2z into 6, that is 12z plus 10f plus c plus 6 square 36 plus 5 square 25. 36 plus 25, that is 61 is equal to 0. This is the fourth equation. And we, from the equations 3 and 4, subtracting fourth equation from 3, that is third equation is 8z plus 2f plus c plus 17 is equal to 0. So 12z, that is 12z plus 10f plus c plus 61 is equal to 0. Subtracting these two, that is minus 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 plus c cancel, 8z minus 12z, that is minus 4z, 2f minus 10f, that is 8f, 17 minus 61, that is minus 44 is equal to 0. So minus common and cancel, that is 4z plus 8f plus 44 is equal to 0. This is the fifth equation. So subtracting second equation from the equation 5, therefore fifth equation is 4z plus 8f plus 44 is equal to 0. So second equation is 4z plus f plus 16 is equal to 0. Subtracting these two equations, this is minus minus minus, 4z minus 4z cancel, 8f minus f, that is 7f. So 44 minus 16, that is 28 is equal to 0. Therefore 7f is equal to minus 28, f is equal to minus 4. So substituting this value in second equation, that is 4z plus f plus 16 is equal to 0. So 4z plus f value is minus 4 plus 16 is equal to 0. 4z plus 12 is equal to 0. Therefore z is equal to minus 3. Substituting g comma f values in second equation, that is 8z plus 2f plus c plus 17 is equal to 0. 8 into minus 3 plus 2 into minus 4 plus c plus 17 is equal to 0. Minus 24 minus 8 plus c plus 17 is equal to 0. So minus 8 minus 24 minus 32 plus 17, that is minus 15 is equal to 0. Therefore c is equal to 15. Substituting g, f, c values in the given circle equation, that is x square plus y square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. That is x square plus y square, 2 into z value minus 3 into x plus 2 into f value minus 4 into y plus 15 is equal to 0. Therefore x square plus y square, 2 into minus 3, that is minus 6x, 2 into minus 4 minus 8y plus 15 is equal to 0. This is the general equation of the. Find the equation of the circle passing through the points minus 2 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5 and center lies on x-axis. First we take general equation of the circle, that is general equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2zx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Here is given center lies on x-axis, therefore center is equal to minus z comma minus f. This is lies on x-axis, so that means y coordinate must be 0. On x-axis y coordinate must be 0, that is minus f is equal to 0. Therefore f value is 0. And passing through the point minus 2 comma 3, substituting in the general equation, that is minus 2 whole square plus 3 square plus 2z into minus 2 plus 3f into 3 plus c is equal to 0. Minus 2 square, that is 4 plus 9 minus 4z plus 9f plus c is equal to 0. That is minus 4z plus 9f plus c, 9 plus 4 13, that is 13 is equal to 0. This is the first equation. And substituting 4 comma 5, that is equal to 4 square plus 5 square plus 2z into x4 plus 2f into f value 5 plus c is equal to 0. That is 8z plus 10f plus c, 4 square 16 plus 5 square 25, 16 plus 25, that is 41 is equal to 0. This is the second equation. Subtracting first equation from second equation. That is, second equation is 8z plus 10f plus c plus 41 is equal to 0. So second equation is minus 4z plus 9f plus c plus 13 is equal to 0. Subtracting these two, that is plus, this is minus, minus, plus c minus c cancel. 8z plus 4z, that is 12z. 10f minus 9f, that is plus 3f. 41 minus 13, that is plus 28 is equal to 0. So we already known f is equal to 0. Substituting f is equal to 0 in this, that is 12z plus 28 is equal to 0. 12z is equal to minus 28. Z is equal to minus 28 by 12. So 3 4s are 3, 7s are cancel. That is equal to minus 7 by 3. So z value is minus 7 by 3. There, and substituting g and f values in first equation, show that the circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0, and x square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 is equal to 0 or touch each other, and find the point of contact and find the equation of tangent at the point of contact. So that first these two circles are touch each other. Now we find the center of the first circle, that is circle equation is x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. So center of the first circle is denoted by C1, that is coefficient of x is minus 4, that is 2, and coefficient of y is minus 6, dividing by minus 2, that is 3. C1 is 2 comma 3. And R1, that is g square plus f square minus c under root. G square is 4 and f square 9. C value minus 12, that is plus 12, that is equal to root 25 is equal to 5. And equation of the second circle is x square plus y square plus 6x plus 18y plus 26 is equal to 0. So center of this circle is denoted by C2, that is minus 3 comma minus 9, and the radius of this circle is R2 is equal to under root of g square plus f square minus c, that is equal to 3 square is 9, 9 square 81 minus 26. 9 plus 81 90, 90 minus 60 26, that is 64, that is equal to 8. Now we find C1 C2, distance between the centers, that is under root of 2 plus 3 whole square plus 3 plus 9 whole square. 2 plus 3 whole square is 5 square is 25, 3 plus 9 12, that is 144 under root of 25 plus 144, that is equal to under root of 169 is equal to 13. And now we find R1 plus R2. R1 is equal to 5 plus 8. 5 plus 8 is equal to 30. Therefore C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2 is equal to 13. So given circles are touch each other. Given circles are touch each other. So this is the first circle, center of this is C1 and this is C2. So and this is R1 and this is R2. So the given point of contact divides these two circles in the ratio R1 is to R2. Therefore first equation is 4z minus 4z plus 6f plus c plus 13 is equal to 0. Minus 4 into z value minus 7 by 3 plus 6 into f value 0 plus c plus 13 is equal to 0. That is 28 by 3 plus c plus 13 is equal to 0. Therefore c is equal to minus 28 by 3 minus 13, that is equal to minus 28 minus 39 by 3. C is equal to 39, 20, 50, 59 minus 67 by 3. So therefore substituting these GFC values in the circle equation, therefore circle equation is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Therefore x square plus y square plus 2 into g value minus 7 by 3 into x plus 2 into f value 0 plus c, that is minus 67 by 3 is equal to 0. Therefore x square plus y square minus 14 by 3 into x minus 67 by 3 is equal to 0. Take LCM, that is 3x square plus 3y square minus 14x minus 67 is equal to 0. Therefore equation of the circle is 3 into x square plus y square minus 14x minus 67 is equal to 0. That is the answer. Show that the point and 4 common from this equation, that is g minus f plus 9 is equal to 0. This is the fifth equation. So subtracting fourth equation from 5, that is g minus f plus 9 minus g plus 2f minus 5 is equal to 0. Here is plus g minus g cancel, minus f plus 2f minus f plus 3f, that is 2f plus 4 is equal to 0. Therefore f is equal to minus 2. Substituting f value in this fifth equation, g minus of minus f, that is g plus 2 plus 9 is equal to 0. G plus 11 is equal to 0. G is equal to minus 11, g value. Now we find the value. Substituting gf values in first equation, that is 2g plus 4f plus c plus 5 is equal to 0. So 2 into g value minus 11 plus 4 into f value minus 2 plus c plus 5 is equal to 0. So minus 22 minus 8 plus c plus 5 is equal to 0. Minus 22 minus 8 minus 30 plus 5 minus 25, that is c minus 25 is equal to 0. C is equal to 25. Substituting GFC values in general equation, that is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Therefore x square plus y square plus 2 into g minus 11 into x 2 into f minus 2 into y plus 25 is equal to 0. Therefore x square plus y square minus 22x minus 4y plus 25 is equal to 0. This is the general equation of the circle. Now we prove that the given points are concyclic points. Therefore generally equation of the circle is x square plus y square minus 22x minus 4y plus 25 is equal to 0. Substituting the fourth point in this given equation, that is 19 comma 8, that is equal to 19 square plus 8 square minus 22 into 19 minus 4 into 8 plus 25. 19 square is 361 plus 8 square 64 minus 22 into 19, that is 418 minus 4 into 8 32 plus 25. 361 plus 64, that is 425, that is 425 plus 25, that is equal to 440. 450 minus 418 minus 32, this is also 450. 450 minus 450 cancel, that is equal to 0. Therefore given points are concyclic. Find the value of C. Show that the points 2 comma 0, 0 comma 1, 4 comma 5 are concyclic points. First we take general equation of the circle, that is general equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. Substituting 2 comma 0 in this equation, that is 4 plus 0, so 4g plus 2f into 0 plus c is equal to 0. 4g plus c plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the first equation. And substituting 0 comma 1 in the general equation, that is 1 plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. This is the second equation. And 4 comma 5, that is equal to 16 plus 25 plus 8z plus 10f plus c is equal to 0. 8z plus 10f plus c plus here is 16 plus 25, that is 41 is equal to 0. This is the third equation. So first equation minus second equation, that is cc cancel, 4z minus 2f plus 3 is equal to 0. This is the fourth equation. And third equation minus first equation. So here is 8z minus 4z, that is 4z 10f plus 10f plus c minus c cancelled. 41 minus 4, that is 37 is equal to 0. This is the fifth equation. Now we subtract fourth equation minus fifth equation. 4z minus 4z cancelled. Minus 2f minus 10f, that is minus 12f. 3 minus 37, that is minus 34 is equal to 0. Therefore f is equal to minus 34 by 12. 17 2s are cancelled, 17 6 2s are, that is equal to minus 17 by 6. Substituting f value in the second equation, 1 plus 2f plus c is equal to 0. 1 plus 2 into f minus 17 by 6, that is minus 17 by 3 plus c is equal to 0. Therefore c is equal to 17 by 3 minus 1, that is equal to 14 by 3. Therefore c value is 14 by 3. Substituting c value in first equation, that is 4g plus c plus 4 is equal to 0. That is 4g plus 14 by 3 plus 4 is equal to 0. So take LCM, that is 12z plus 14 plus 16 is equal to 0. 12 is equal to 0. So 12z is equal to minus 26. G is equal to minus 26 by 12. 2 6 are 2 13s are. Therefore G is equal to minus 13 by 6. Now we substituting G, F, C values in the circle equation. So therefore general equation of the circle is x square plus y square plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c is equal to 0. So substituting gfc values in this equation, x square plus y square plus 2 into g value minus 13 by 6 into x plus 2 into f value minus 17 by 6 into y plus c value 14 by 3 is equal to 0. So 2 3 times cancel and 2 3 times cancel, that is x square plus y square minus 13 by 3 into x minus 17 by 3 into y plus 14 by 3 is equal to 0. 3x square plus 3y square minus 13x minus 17y plus 14 is equal to 0. So given points are concyclic. Substituting fourth point 0 comma c in this equation, that is 3c square minus 17c plus 14 is equal to 0. This is 3c square minus 3c minus 14c plus 14 is equal to 0. 14 into 3 factors 3 into 14. Take 3 common, 3c, so c minus 1 minus 14 common, c minus 1 is equal to 0. Again c minus 1 common, 3c minus 14 is equal to 0. Therefore c minus 1 is equal to 0, c is equal to 1, and 3c minus 14 is equal to 0. So 3c is equal to 14, c is equal to 14 by 3. C is equal to 14 by 3. That is the answer. So the point of contact divides the line joining centers in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. So center of the first circle C1 is 2 comma 3 and C2 is minus 3 comma minus 1. R1 is equal to 5 and R2 is equal to 8. So point of contact P is equal to R1 x2 plus R2 x1 by R1 plus R2 comma R1 y2 plus R2 y1 by R1 plus R2, that is equal to R1 5 into minus 3 plus 8 into 2 by 5 plus 8, 5 into minus 9 plus 8 into 3 by 5 plus 8, that is equal to minus 15 plus 16 by 13 minus 45 plus 24 by 13 minus 15 plus 16, that is equal to 1 by 13 minus 45 plus 21, that is minus 21 by 13. This is the point of contact of the given. And now we find the tangent equation. So tangent equation of the given circles is s minus s dash is equal to 0. So first circle equation x square plus y square minus 4x minus 6y minus 12 minus s dash, second equation, minus x square minus y square minus 6x minus 18y minus 26 is equal to 0. So x square cancelled, y square cancelled, minus 4x minus 6x, that is minus 10x minus 6y minus 18y minus 24y minus 12 minus 26, that is minus 38 is equal to 0. So take minus 2 common, that is equal to 5x plus 12y plus 19 is equal to 0. Therefore 5x plus 12y plus 19 is equal to 0. This is the equation of a common tangent to the given circles. Show that the circles touch each other and find the point of contact and find common tangent to the circles. X square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0, and x square plus y square minus 2x plus 6y minus 6 is equal to 0. So given circles are, so first circle x square plus y square minus 8x minus 2y plus 8 is equal to 0. Center of the circle C1 is equal to 4 comma 1 and R1, radius of the circle is radius g square plus f square minus c, that is equal to under root of 16 plus 1 minus 8, so that is equal to root 9 is equal to 3. And second circle equation is x square plus y square minus 2x plus 6y plus 6 is equal to 0. C2, center of the circle is 1 comma minus 3 and R2 is equal to under root of 1 plus 9 minus 6, that is equal to root 4 is equal to 2. So C1 C2 distance between the centers is equal to under root of 1 minus 4 whole square plus minus 3 minus 1 whole square. 1 minus 4, that is minus 3 whole square is 9 plus 16, that is equal to root 25 is equal to 5. And R1 plus R2 is equal to 3 plus 2 is equal to 5. Therefore C1 C2 is equal to R1 plus R2 is equal to 5. Therefore given circles are touch each other. Now we find the point of contact. So point of contact divides the line joining centers in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. Therefore C1, center of the first circle C1 is 4 comma 1 and C2, center of the second circle is 1 comma minus 3. So R1 is equal to R1 is equal to 3 and R2 is equal to 2. So point of contact P is equal to R1 x2 plus R2 x1 by R1 plus R2, R1 y2 plus R2 y1 by R1 plus R2, that is equal to R1 3 into 1 plus R2 2 into 4 by 3 plus 2, and 3 into minus 3 plus 2 into 1 by 3 plus 2, that is equal to 3 into 1 3 plus 8, that is 11 by 5 comma 3 into minus 3 minus 9 plus 2, that is minus 7 by 5. This is the point of contact of the given circles. Now we find the common tangent equation. So common tangent equation, therefore common tangent equation is s minus s dash is equal to 0. So first circle equation is x square plus y square minus 6x minus 8x minus 2y plus 8 minus x square minus y square plus 2x minus 6y minus 6 is equal to 0. Here is x square cancel, y square cancel, minus 8x plus 2x, that is minus 6x minus 2y minus 6y, that is minus 8y, 8 minus 6 plus 2 is equal to 0. Take minus 2 common, that is 3x plus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. Therefore equation of the common tangent is 3x plus 4y minus 1 is equal to 0. Find the equations to the direct common tangents to the circles x square plus y square plus 22x minus 4y minus 100 is equal to 0, and x square plus y square minus 22x plus 4y plus 100 is equal to 0. This is the center of the first circle C1 and this is the center of the second circle C2. So these two lines are called direct common tangents. Now we find these direct common tangents. Therefore C1, center of the first circle is minus 11 comma 2 and center of the second circle is 11 comma minus 2. R1, radius of the first circle, that is g square plus f square minus c, that is 121 plus 4 plus 100, that is equal to root over 225. So R1 is equal to root 225 is 15, and R2 is equal to under root of 121 plus 4 minus 100. R2 is equal to root 225. Therefore R2 is equal to 5. Now we find distance between the centers C1 C2 is equal to 11 plus 11 whole square plus minus 2 whole square. 11 plus 11 22, that is 484 plus minus 2 minus 4 16 under root of, that is equal to root 500. Root 500 is written as root 5 into 100, that is equal to 10 root 5. So and R1 plus R2 is equal to 15 plus 5. 15 plus 5 is equal to 20. Here C1 C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. So given circles do not touch, do not intersect. Thus two circles are like in this C1 in this figure. So C1 C2 greater than R plus, these two lines are called direct common. Now we find the point of contact. The point of contact of direct common tangents is external center of similitude. So external center of similitude is equal to external center of similitude. The external center divides the line joining the centers in the ratio R1 is to R2 externally. That is the point of contact, say P is equal to R1 x2 minus R2 x1 by R1 minus R2, R1 y2 minus R2 y1 by R1 minus R2. So substituting R1 in this 15 into 11, that is 15 into 11 minus 5 into minus 11 by 15 minus 5, that is into comma 15 into minus 2 minus 5 into 2 by 15 minus 5, that is equal to 165 plus 55 by 10 comma minus 30 minus 10 by 10. 165 plus 55, that is 210 by 10. 220 by 10, that is 22 comma minus 40 by 10 is minus 4. This is the point of contact. We don't know the slope of the direct common tangent. This is taken as small m. So point to slope form, the equation of direct common tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1. Y minus y1, that is y plus 4 is equal to m into x minus 22. So y plus 4 is equal to mx minus 22m. Therefore mx minus y minus 22m minus 4 is equal to 0. This is a common tangent to the both the circles. So if a line is touches the circle, condition is r is equal to d. So we take r2 is equal to d. Radius of the second circle is 5 and d is perpendicular distance from center to the given tangent line. So that is second center C2 is equal to, C2 value is minus 11 comma 2. Therefore 5 is equal to, that is plus 11 comma minus 2. So 5 is equal to modulus of 11m minus of minus plus 2 minus 22m minus 4 by under root of m square plus 1. So that is equal to 5 is equal to 11m minus 22m, that is minus 11m, 2 minus 4, that is minus 2 by under root of m square plus 1. Now we take cross multiplication, that is 5 into root over m square plus 1 is equal to modulus of minus 11m minus 2. So squaring on both sides, that is 25m square plus 25 is equal to 121m square plus 4 plus 44m. Here is 121m square plus 25m square, that is 96m square plus 44m. 4 minus 25, that is minus 21 is equal to 0. This is a quadratic equation in m. Now I find the roots of this equation, that is 21 into 96. This is written as 96m square plus 72m minus 28m minus 21 is equal to 0. So take 24m common, that is 4m plus 3, and minus 7 common, that is 4m plus 3 is equal to 0. Again 4m plus 3 common, that is 24m minus 7 is equal to 0. From this equation 4m plus 3 is equal to 0. M is equal to minus 3 by 4. 24m minus 7 is equal to 0. M is equal to 7 by 24. Now the equation of direct common tangent is y plus 4 is equal to m of x minus 22. That is, if m is equal to minus 3 by 4, substituting m value in this equation, y plus 4 is equal to minus 3 by 4 into x minus 22. 4y plus 16 is equal to minus 3x plus 66. That is 3x plus 4y. 60 plus 16 minus 66 is equal to 0. That is 3x plus 4y minus 50 is equal to 0. This is the one common tangent. If m is equal to 7 by 24, if m is equal to 7 by 24, therefore y plus 4 is equal to 7 by 24 into x minus 22, that is 24y plus 24 into 4, 96 is equal to 7x minus 156. Therefore 7x minus 24y minus 156 minus 96, 154, that is 154, 96 is equal to 0. Therefore equation of other common tangent is 7x minus 24 minus 250 is equal to 0. This is the answer. Find the transverse common tangents to the circles x square plus y square minus 4x minus 10y plus 28 is equal to 0, comma x square plus y square plus 4x minus 6y plus 4 is equal to 0. This is the first circle, s is equal to 0, and this is the second circle, s dash is equal to 0. Center of this circle is C1 and the center of this circle is C2. These two lines are the transverse common tangents. Now we find these transverse common tangents. So C1, center of the first circle is 2 comma 5, and C2, center of the second circle is minus 2 comma 3. R1, radius of the first circle, that is 4 plus 25 minus 28, 25 plus 4, 29 minus 28, that is root 1 is 1, and R2 is equal to under root of 4 plus 9 minus 4, 4 cancelled, R2 root 9 is 3, and C1 C2 is equal to under root of 2 plus 2 whole square plus 5 minus 3 whole square, that is 2 plus 2 is 4, 16 plus 4, that is equal to root 20. Root 20 is equal to 2 root 5. 2 root 5 means is greater than 5, that is C1 C2 is greater than R1 plus R2. Now the circles are like this. Now we find the direct common tangents. These point of intersection of these transverse common tangents divides the line joining the centers in the ratio R1 is to R2 internally. So now we find the point. Now we find the point of contact of the transverse common tangent. So center of the first circle C1 is C1, that is 2 comma 5, and C2 is minus 2 comma 3. R1 is equal to 1 and R2 is equal to 3. So point of contact P is equal to R1 x2 plus R2 x1 by R1 plus R2, comma R1 y2 plus R2 y1 by R1 plus R2. So R1 x2, that is 1 into minus 2 plus 3 into 2 6 by 1 plus 3, comma R1 y2 1 into 3 plus R2 y1, that is 15 by 1 plus 3, minus 2 plus 6 4 by 4 is 1, 3 plus 5 18 by 4 is 9 by 2. This is the point of contact, and we take slope is equal to m, say. So therefore equation of transverse common tangent is y minus y1 is equal to m of x minus x1, that is y minus 9 by 2 is equal to m of x minus 1 mx minus y plus 9 by 2 minus m is equal to 0. This is the common tangent to both the circles. Now we take R1 is equal to d. R1 value is 1. So d, distance from center to the given line, that is modulus of m into x, that is 2m minus 5 plus 9 by 2 minus m by under root of m square plus 1. We take cross multiplication. So we take cross multiplication, we get under root of m square plus 1 is equal to 2m minus 10 plus 9 by 2 modulus. So that is equal to 2m minus 1 by 2. Take squaring on both sides. That is 4 into m square plus 1 is equal to 2m minus 1 whole square. Therefore 4m square plus 4 is equal to 4m square plus 1 minus 4m. 4m square cancelled. So 4 minus 1, that is 3 is equal to minus 4m. M is equal to minus 3 by 4. So here is coefficient of x square is cancelled. So another root m is equal to infinity, that is equal to 1 by 0. First we take if m is equal to infinity. If m is equal to infinity, that is 1 by 0. Substituting on that common tangent equation, y minus 9 by 2 is equal to 1 by 0 into x minus 1. 0 into y minus 9 by 2 is 0. From this equation x minus 1 is equal to 0. that is x is equal to 1. This is the transverse common tangent equation. And if m is equal to minus 3 by 4, substituting in this equation, y minus 9 by 2 is equal to minus 3 by 4 into x minus 1. Take cross multiplication, that is 4y minus 4 into 9 by 2, that is 18 minus 3x plus 3. Therefore 3x plus 4y minus 18 minus 3 minus 21 is equal to 0. This is the equation of a other common tangent equation.